Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce your eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auto shift manual transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and LED low and high beam headlights. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.